I've run a lot of big waterfalls in my kayak, and what I really want to accomplish in life now is dropping massive waterfalls and inflatable pool toys. As human beings, we don't often have big chances like this. I'm really pursuing a world record of some sort, and this has really spoken to me. Outlet Falls is a 70-foot waterfall that has never been done before in a pool toy, and for me it's like, it's a natural progression of the sport, you know? I think that's the way that I think the sport needs to be going. It's, I don't know, it's just human nature, and I want to be part of this evolution.
Everybody wants to know who's the driver. They call me the stick. Hell yeah, I'm on fire.
I'm doing what I love. I'm pursuing my passion, and that's what it's all about.